Sumansi Raman, answer Mr. Vijayan. Answer Mr. Vijayan. He is saying, why are you afraid of showing the SDPI flags? Why don't you want to show the IUML flags? Is this a case of the Congress falling between two stools, coming down from 15 to just 10 seats because they don't know whose vote they are actually asking for? Let's quickly listen to Pinarayi Vijayan, then Dr. Sumansi Raman respond.
ഒരു മാധ്യമം റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത കാര്യമുണ്ട്. അവർ പറഞ്ഞത് കഴിഞ്ഞ തവണ വിവാദമുണ്ടായ പശ്ചാത്തലത്തിലാണ് ഇത്തവണ ലീഗിൻ്റെ പതാകയും കോൺഗ്രസിൻ്റെ പതാകയും ഒഴിവാക്കി പ്രവർത്തകർ രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയുടെ റോഡ് ഷോയിൽ പങ്കെടുത്തത്. ഇത് ഒരുതരം ഭീരുത്വമല്ലേ? മുസ്ലിം ലീഗിൻ്റെ വോട്ട് വേണം, പതാക പാടില്ല എന്ന നിലപാട് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്?
Dr. Sumansi Raman, falling between two stools?
No. I think you have to understand, Padmaja, that there was a controversy in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. At that time, when the flags were used and all that, and many people sadly are not able to distinguish between the IUML flag and Pakistan flag. So they said last time, I don't know whether you are aware, Padmaja, but it caused a big controversy.
Yes, it did. Amit Shah spoke about it, but Rahul Gandhi is aware of the distinction, right, between IUML and Pakistani flags. Why is he embarrassed of having IUML flags? If he's taking IUML votes, you take IUML flags.
But it's basically... but basically there will be the national media who are waiting to bash the Congress.
Sir, if you are embarrassed of showing IUML flags, don't put it on the national media.
Why do they love? Why does
Since when did Rahul Gandhi start caring about national media?
Are they anti-Indian?
I don't think IUML is anti-Indian.
No. Rahul Gandhi wanted to avoid a controversy.
Then why is he taking their votes?
To avoid a controversy, especially because last time it became... Look, the flag happens to be something which many people are not able to distinguish. He is in alliance with the IUML. Are they hiding that? Are they not campaigning together in every constituency in Kerala?
Well, you are certainly not allowing their symbol during your yatra.
Reason why he avoided that. No, symbol is different. This is a party flag.
Okay.
Party flag, and explicitly to prevent certain channels, and we all know which channels we are talking about, from doing what they have done in the past.
Kamal hai. It doesn't stop Rahul Gandhi from calling the people of Varanasi drunks. But suddenly when you want the IUML flag absent from your frame, then it's put on the national media. If you care so much for national media, at least stop calling people, who are not wise voters or who are drunk people in Varanasi.
Did the national media apologize to Rahul Gandhi?
Why will it apologize for anything? Anyway, sir, this is not a debate on the national media. This is not a debate on the national media. Let's talk about the numbers. Very convenient. When you want to say what you want to say, it is because, you strongly believe in it. Despite the fact that, say, a chokidar, chore, etc. has been debunked factually. But when you don't want to show a flag, you say, oh, it is because I want to avoid a controversy. Anyhow, what do you make of these numbers? JVC Sriram.
See, the moment BJP is able to cross 18% in Kerala, they will start adding seats. That's the breakout number. And they've been in the range of around 12 to 15% as far as NDA is concerned. If your percentage of 18 is correct, then probably BJP may be opening its account not just in one seat. It could go all the way from, I would say, 1 to 3 instead of 0 to 1. Because why I'm saying it is because the spread vote is all probably static. But the additional vote may come from any of these three constituencies and probably add one more also.
Which are the probable seats? Of course, everyone is talking about Thiruvananthapuram and Pathanamthitta. What are the other seats you think they stand a chance?
Thrissur, Athingal, Thiruvananthapuram and Pathanamthitta. Now, of these 4 seats, BJP, if they cross 18%, I'm pretty sure, pretty sanguine that they will get 2 seats out of the 20 seats in Kerala. That's my number.
Okay, let's move to the next.